Hi Linda, this is an SEO analysis of your website, and your SEO score is 47 out of 100, which would be great to have it in the range of 60 plus because your website has been around for 2 years or more. So that's definitely expected to have a higher score when it comes to this particular tool. You seem to have two different domains pointing to your website, which could create a duplicate content issues, which means that Google reads that as two websites with a duplicate content. So having 301 redirect will help you correct that. You've got very good meta title, meta description, which is a Google snippet. So it tells about your key products, has call to action, which is great. Your heading tags are in the right order. I would love to see H1 tag as well on the home page and on your other pages. Make sure that the main focus keywords are such as napkins and so on, because at the moment, or hankies, napkins, at the moment your main popular keywords are regular price, so a little bit too general to really rank in the more specific searches. Your website loads super fast, below 1 second, which is fantastic. So there's absolutely no issues there. I hope you found this SEO review useful, and thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.